Tour of the Power Virtual Agent's dashboard. In this demonstration, you will see tour of the Power Virtual Agent's dashboard. Power Virtual Agents engage teams to simply create powerful chatbot employing a radio-controlled, no-code graphical interface with no need for information researchers or developers. Power Virtual Agents tend to have giant numbers of problems with the lava building within the trade nowadays. It disposes the gap between the topic matter specialist and everyone the event group's building, and therefore the long latency between groups recognizing a difficulty and changing the bot to handle it. It deletes the complexities of exposing groups to the nuances of informal AI and therefore ought to write advanced code. Let's take a tour of the Power Virtual Agent dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you can see sections like Home, Topics, Entities, Analytics, Publish, Manage. In the Home tab, you can see options for those items which you have used recently or some suggestion which the Power Virtual Agent provides automatically. Now go to the Topics tab, in which you can see different topics that you have created earlier like store timing, lesson 1, a simple topic, etc. In the Entities tab, you can see the entities which are present in the database. Here you have entities like color, country or region, date and time. In the Analytics tab, you must see the summary, customer satisfaction, sessions, billing. How much the customer is satisfied, how many sessions do we have, and the billing details. In this next section, you can publish the chatbot to customers. In Side Manage tab, you have sections like Details, Channels, Security, Skills, AI capabilities. In the Channel section, you get different channels to connect to customers through different ways like social media, personal website, mobile applications. In the next section, you have securities like sharing, to whom you are giving access to, authentication, web channel security. In the Skills section, you can add skills, which extends your bot's conversational capabilities. AI capabilities is a section in which the bot deals with AI, through which bot interacts with customers according to customer needs.
For more details, check the link in the description. Learn with Whizlabs. Success certified.